They say a garden once bloomed with grace, but shadows crept in and claimed the place. Now vines twist secrets, the soil whispers doom. Welcome, my dear, to the Garden of Gloom. A monocled toad sits near the gate, his eyes aglow to read your fate. He stamps your hand with a croaky cheer. Enjoy the stroll, no turning back here. The toad extends a warty hand, inviting you to a haunted land. You slip on nails of ashen shade. A transformation now is made. He offers forth a tiny book with pages where no one dares to look, a holder for your enchanted scrolls to guide you through these shadowed knolls. From misty beds, a draped figure sways, a gardener from forgotten days. With blooms in hand and flowy grace, he beckons you to a hidden place. Where roses bloom with webs entwined, spiders dance, their threads aligned. Moths flutter under moon's soft gleam, a nocturnal floral dream. In shadows deep, strange flowers grow, with twisted petals all aglow. Their eerie beauty, dark and grand, a spectral bouquet, hand in hand. The leaves shine green with a curious hue, not quite emerald nor chartreuse. They shimmer like secrets in morning dew, but touch them wrong, they'll bite through you. The toad croaks in a mushroom cap. A bat doffs its wings with a gentleman's flap. The garden is filled with creatures and charms that strangely seem to mean no harm. A splash of orange, so bold and bright, captures the essence of this hollow night. A satin sheen, both smooth and warm, a perfect hue for this garden's charm. Pumpkins grin under crescent light, and patches glowing through the night. Batwings flutter through the air, a haunted harvest, if you dare. Among the plot, a figure stands, with prickly tools and skeletal hands, tending to blooms with moans and sighs underneath the moonlit sky. A gentle glow begins to rise, soft lavender beneath the skies. Spells bounce on the breeze, awakening magic among the trees. As twilight drapes the haunted glade, the garden's magic starts to fade. Yet on your fingertips there still remains the whispers of this night's domain. You've wandered through this garden's gloom, embraced the night and escaped the doom. With tools and colors, plates and more, your Halloween nails won't be a bore. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on my next long form videos where I'll be recreating both the Phantom Bloom and Harvest Haunt designs. The stamping plates are not exclusive to the Box of Gloom and they can be purchased separately. Don't forget to use code Cerulean10 to get 10% off any orders from Maniology.com. Also, I do get a small commission when you use my code, so I really appreciate all of your support and thank you guys so much for being here.